How to track your shipments on Amazon Seller Central. Whether you're sending in one box or 100, keeping track of your Amazon FBA shipments is crucial. Here's how to easily monitor your shipments inside Amazon Seller Central, plus I'll show you a new feature that can save you a ton of time when creating repeat shipments. Go to Inventory and then go to Shipments. So here guys, you can view your shipments by status, like in transit, delivered, or receiving, and also filter them by date range to see recent or older shipments. So when you're looking at a shipment, you'll see three important numbers: the expected units, the number of units you told Amazon that you were gonna send, and then the located units, which is how many units Amazon has physically scanned into the fulfillment centers, and then Prime eligible units, or the units now available for sale within Prime shipping. So Amazon just recently added a new feature called Send It Again. With just one click, you can duplicate SKUs and quantities from a previous shipment, perfect if you regularly replenish the same products. It saves you from manually creating a shipment all over again. Under Next Steps, just click on Track Shipment and then click on Send It Again. Check your shipment status regularly to catch delays, missing units, or discrepancies. If something doesn't match your records, you can open a case with seller support for investigation. Tracking shipments is just a part of running a profitable Amazon business. If you want a clear step-by-step system for finding products, sourcing them profitably, and scaling faster without wasting months trying to figure it all out on your own, join the OA Challenge. It's the easiest way to learn everything you need to know about online arbitrage, and the link is in the description below.